Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In today's class we are going to study the basic permanent mold process. We are studying fundamentals of metal casting and metals for casting. We will cover all related topics one by one. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. Here, we come up with new videos on different subjects to make the academic studies easier for you. So, into the topic. Permanent mold casting processes. The economic disadvantage of any of the expendable mold processes is that a new mold is required for every casting. In permanent mold casting, the mold is reused many times. The basic permanent mold process. Permanent mold casting uses a metal mold constructed of two sections that are designed for easy, precise opening and closing. The molds are commonly made of steel or cast iron. Examples of metals cast in these molds are aluminum, magnesium, copper base alloys, and cast iron. For cast iron, however, the mold must be made of refractory material. To provide good dimensional accuracy and surface finish, the cavity, with gating system are machined into two halves. Metallic cores can be used in permanent molds. However, they should be removable, otherwise sand cores can be used. In the later case, the process is referred to as semi-permanent mold casting. We will observe the steps followed in the basic permanent mold casting in the next few figures. The figure 1 shows the first step in permanent mold casting, where the mold is preheated and coated. Preheating facilitates metal flow, and coating aid heat dissipation, and lubricate the mold surfaces for easier separation of the cast product. The figure 2 shows the second step in permanent mold casting, where the cores are inserted and mold is closed. The figure 3 shows the third step in permanent mold casting, where the molten metal is poured into the mold. As the metal solidifies, the mold is opened and the part retrieved. Advantages of permanent mold casting include good surface finish and close dimensional accuracy. More rapid solidification caused by the metal mold results in a finer grain structure, so stronger castings are produced. And the limitations include generally limited to metals of lower melting points. Simple part geometry is compared to sand casting because of the need to open the mold. The expense of the mold. The examples of castings are automotive pistons and pump bodies. So, we have studied the basic permanent mold process. Thank you.